Hi, welcome. Now, today, let us discuss about the group of order PQ. Means the complete analysis of the group of order PQ. Any group whose order is the product of two distinct primes. Okay, and we further try to discuss about what will happen if p going to be equal to the q. Okay, p to power 2 or q to power 2. Okay, this lecture is going to be useful. Okay, this lecture is useful if you are preparing for CSIR net, gate, or IIT JAM, or NVHM differ, or any PhD entrance exam. Okay, for those who has taken or chosen mathematics as an optional subject. Okay, in the IES and IPS. Okay, let G be a group. Okay, G is a group. Okay, so order of this group is P dot Q, provided that P and Q both are distinct primes. P और Q जो दोनों अलग primes हैं. Okay, suppose the order of the group is the product of two primes and P is less than Q. If P divides Q minus 1, then there exists a group which is non-abelian of order PQ. And if P doesn't divide Q minus 1, okay, then there cannot exist non-abelian group. Okay, whichever group of order PQ may exist, that must be cyclic. Forget about abelian or non-abelian, that must be cyclic, and every cyclic is abelian. Cyclicity is more superior than the commutativity in the group. Okay, if for the sake of the convenience, let P less than Q. Okay, if P divides Q minus 1, okay, if P divides Q minus 1, implies that there exists non-abelian, there exists a non-abelian group of order PQ. Okay, if P divides Q minus 1, okay, if P doesn't divide Q minus 1, implies that G is cyclic of order PQ. Okay, so now we will discuss, if P does not divide Q minus 1, then group is cyclic. So that group is isomorphic to ZPQ. Okay, that group is isomorphic to ZPQ if P does not divide Q minus 1. Okay, if P does not divide Q minus 1, then group is isomorphic to ZPQ. Okay, so this is a theorem. If P does not divide, implies that G isomorphic to ZPQ, means G cyclic. Okay, so we will discuss when P divides Q minus 1. Okay, now here we discuss only those cases where P divides Q minus 1 or P छोटा prime है and Q is larger prime. If P divides Q minus 1, implies there exists non-abelian group of order PQ. Okay, so smallest group of order PQ is group of order 6. Group of order 6 that can be written as 3.2. 3 both are primes, and here Q is 3 and P is 2. Okay, clearly does here P is 2 and Q is 3. Okay, does P divides here Q minus 1 or not? 2 divides 3 minus 1. 2 divides 3 minus 1. So there exists a group of order 3.2 which is non-abelian. So now let us discuss about the group of order 6 G, and every group contain identity element. Every group contain identity element. Okay. Now A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Group of order 6 contains 6 elements. Okay. Order of the group says that group contains 6 elements. Okay. And what are the behavior of those elements? So let us analysis about the element of the groups. How many element of certain order does a group have? So let us analysis those. Since every group contain identity element, now what will be the order of A? Okay. Since let us recall about the theorem, Cauchy theorem. So recall the Cauchy theorem. Okay. If P divides the order of the group, then group must have an element of order P. Okay. If P divides the order of the group, then that group must have an element of order P. Okay. Since our group is of order 6, 2 is a prime and 2 divides the order of the group. So this group must have at least one element of order 2. इस ग्रुप के पास कम से कम एक एलिमेंट 2 ऑर्डर का जरूर होगा. ओके. सो लेट ए बी एन एलिमेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 2. मैंने मान लिया ए क्या है, ऑर्डर 2 ए का. एक ऑर्डर 2 means that a to power 2 equal identity, smallest positive integer whose power gives you an identity, that is called order. Okay. So order of a is 2, at least one element of order 2. Now let us discuss about what will be the order of B. So we have another possibility. 3 is a prime and 3 divides the order of the group. So this group must have at least one element of order 3. So let B is an order of 3. Okay. जो भी एलिमेंट ग्रुप में होगा, ग्रुप में जिस भी ऑर्डर का एलिमेंट होगा वो एक सब ग्रुप जरूर अपने हिसाब से जनरेट करेगा. जैसे ग्रुप में एक एलिमेंट 2 ऑर्डर का है, तो इस ग्रुप में 2 ऑर्डर का हमें सब ग्रुप मिल जाएगा. कौन सा? ई और ए. ये एक सब ग्रुप है इस ग्रुप का 2 ऑर्डर का. ओके. बी एक एलिमेंट है 3 ऑर्डर का. ओके. सो दिस एलिमेंट आल्सो जनरेट्स ए सब ग्रुप. ऑर्डर ऑफ बी इज 3. सो दिस जनरेट्स बी स्क्वायर and b cube. Since b cube is order of b is 3, if the order of b is 3, then the order, what does order say? The smallest positive integer whose power gives the identity. So b cube is an identity. Okay. So b square, 2 elements of order 3. Okay. And this element of order 3 generates the subgroup b square e. Okay. Let us take c equal to the b square. Okay. So 2 elements of order 3. Okay. There cannot exist a group which contains unique element of order 3. 3 must have a cycle. Means phi of 3 equal to, so must if one element of 3 is observed, there must exist at least 2 element in that group of order 3. Okay. Because phi of 3 is 2. Okay. So now what will the possible order of D? Okay. Someone may think that order of D may be 6, but let us recall that if the order of D and E will be 6, then that becomes Z6. Okay. But we are talking in those cases where group is not cyclic, where we are discussing those cases where there exists a possibility of non-abelianness. Okay. So we are discussing the non-abelian groups. Okay. But will the possible order, since only possible, because only possible divisor 1 2 3 6. Okay. and every group contains a unique element of order identity. One, okay, that is an identity, clear. And second thing, that this group has an element of order 2 as well. Now on this group cannot have an element of order 6. Why? Because we are assuming that G is non-abelian. So okay, group cannot have a element इक्वल टू द ऑर्डर ऑफ द ग्रुप. ओके, ग्रुप के पास ऐसा एलिमेंट कभी नहीं होगा जिसका ऑर्डर ग्रुप के ऑर्डर की इक्वल हो. इफ ग्रुप इज नॉन अबेलियन, ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी लेफ्ट, either these two elements has of order 2 or 3. Only two possibilities left. Okay, whose order of D is 3. If order of D is 3, if one element of order 3, that makes a cycle. If D has order 3, then E must have an order 3. Okay, so suppose D has order 3. Okay, if D has order 3, so it generates a cycle D square. Okay, and E means it this element D forms a subgroup of G by the elements where two elements of order 3 and one element of order 1. Is every group of order 3 is cyclic, that is isomorphic to Z3. Okay, so in that case there is a subgroup. Suppose D is of order 3, so there is two subgroup whose of G whose order 3. Okay, one is H E B C and that is K E D E. Okay, these are the two subgroups. Since G is non-abelian, if G is abelian, then the product of subgroup is a subgroup. But if G is non-abelian, then the product of two subgroup is not subgroup, but their order is defined. For defining the order, G need to be a finite group. Okay, in case of infinite group, we can't talk about the order of the subgroups as. Okay, so order of HK, order of HK is order of H dot order of K divided by the order of their intersection. Order of H is 3, K is 3 and divided, what is the intersection? That is 1, so 9. Okay, order of HK is 9 and HK is a subset of G. HK is a subset of G, although not subgroup but subset. Can subset have a 9 element of the set whose cardinality is 6? So this is a contradiction. Okay, only one subgroup of order 3. Okay, D and E cannot have order 3, so only possibilities are 2 and 3. 3 is also cancelled, so only possibility which left, that is 2 order. Okay, so both element has order 2. Okay, and this group is isomorphic to the symmetric group of degree 3 as well as D3, GL2 Z2. Okay, since the order, there are 3 non-abelian group of order 6, S3 D3 GL2 Z2. This is the complete analysis of the group of order 6. Means this is the smallest group of order PQ in which the group is non-abelian. There cannot exist a non-abelian group of order PQ whose order is less than 6. Okay, so this is the only case. Suppose now let us discuss that if the order of the group is PQ dot and if P equal Q, then the order will becomes P square if order of P square implies G is always abelian. Okay, so the group of order 121, 169 are abelians. Okay, similarly we can also analysis group of order 10. How? Since the group of order 10 is 5.2 and here P is 2 and Q is 5, So here 2 divides 5 minus 1. So there exists a group which is non-abelian of order 10. So that group we can also analysis same way as we have done the group of order 6. 2 divides 10, so G must have an element of order 2. Okay, 5 divides 10, so G must have an element of order 5. And how many element of order 5 group of order 10 has? Because if there exists at least one element of order 5, okay, since apply the Cauchy theorem, 5 is a prime, 5 divides the order of the group which is 10, so G must have an element of order 5. And if there is a element of order 5 at least one, that generates a cycle, okay, means generates a subgroup of order 5, okay, because that is a prime. Okay, if you have some doubt, you have anywhere doubt, see the proof of the Cauchy theorem, okay, where you will clear it. Okay, so there will come 4 elements of order 5. Okay, group of order 10 has will come 4 elements of order 5. So G, E and one element of order 2, and suppose B is of order 5, so B square, B cube, B 4. Okay, this and this 4 element of order 5. Okay, now remaining 4 element, what will be the order of the remaining 4 elements? Okay, the only possible divisor of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. So no element of order 1, since the element of order 1 is always unique, that is identity. And since we are discuss about the non-abelian groups, okay, so group cannot have an element whose order equal to the order of the group, so 10 can also not possible. So only possibility, either remaining 4 elements have an order 2 or that have an order 5. Okay, suppose that have an order 5. Okay, so suppose element C has order 5 and that also generates a subgroup. Okay, if that generates a subgroup, so there will be 2 subgroup H and K, similarly as we have done in the group of order 6. So order of HK is what? Order of H dot order of K divided by the intersection of their orders, which is nothing but 25, and 25 doesn't divide 10. So there cannot have order element whose order is 5. Okay, so remaining elements must have an order 2. Okay, so each element C, D, E, F are of order 2. Okay, if we take one element of order 5, suppose we take this element 5, okay, then that generates a cycle. So 4 elements becomes 5 and one identity, this forms a subgroup K, this forms a subgroup H. Okay, but that will be contradicts. Okay, so this all elements have order 2 and that is isomorphic, to D5. Okay, similarly you can also check group of order 14, that is 7, 2. Since 2 divides 7 minus 1, 2, so G must have a group which is non-abelian of order 14, and you can analysis that group same way as we have done the group of order 6, group of order 10, same way you can analysis group of order 14, same way you can analysis group of order 15. In case of the group of order 15, so let us see the beauty of the group of order 15, that is 5.3. Okay, since here P is 3 and Q is 5, so here 3 doesn't divide 5 minus 1, so there cannot exist a non-abelian group of order 15. Every group of order 15 must be isomorphic to Z15. that can be further isomorphic to Z5 cross Z3. Okay, this is also comes under the category of the groups of order P dot Q.